guys, my name is Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you haven't seen already, I posted one unboxing the iPhone 12 mini, which I got right here, and the other testing its battery life, and I was just so shocked because both of these videos have done so well, and I am so grateful with the amount of subscribers, comments and views I got. Thank you for supporting me. And I want to do a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned until the end so you can find out more details about the giveaway. And now let's get into the video. I was really excited for this video because it's kind of like I'm sharing something a little bit more personal with you all, sort of unlocking what I use for every day. So let's begin with the home screen. So there's a bit of clouds and a bit of roses, and when we swipe up, before I get into the home screen, I am going into the control center. So we got low battery mode, things like that. I also found out recently that you can put the music recognition, Shazam, you can put that on there as well. This absolutely changed the game. There were so many times where by the time I literally opened the phone and tried to find the app and everything, I didn't even get a chance to Shazam the song. Yeah, this is a little great tool. You don't have to have it on your home screen as well. So when you go into an app, edit the home screen, and then when you click on the minus button, it will say remove from home screen. So now on my home screen, we have a widget which shows the battery percentage, the time and the date. But the thing to watch out for, the battery percentage doesn't always update. So sometimes it's a little bit delayed. So on here, I have all my basic apps. We have the calendar, the clock, the weather, sleep watch, measures your hours of decent sleep I had, if I had any disruptions in my sleep. And then we have the camera and the photos. So I try to keep things kind of together, that makes sense. And then we have reminders, and I use this a lot because I like how you can just tick off the little circles. Then we have the wallet, messages and WhatsApp. So I use WhatsApp most of the time, but sometimes when it's a delivery notification, always need to be checking. Then we have FaceTime, settings, and now this is a really cool facts app. It will basically pop up with different facts throughout the day, just get your brain a bit more active. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do if you want to. I will be posting more things about tech or different products as well, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Now moving on to the next screen, we have Spotify. The color of the widget will just automatically change to whatever you listen to. So I have a couple of folders on the screen. I just wanted to kind of see the roses at the bottom. First folder is photos and video. We have Fonto, which I use this for editing my thumbnails, and it's free, so eventually I will probably want to change the Canva because it's better. Then we have the Eraser app, which is so cool because it's kind of like Photoshop, you know, when you kind of erase the background of something. Then we have Facetune. But basically guys, I need a bit of help. So if you do have iPhone 12 mini, I don't know how to basically use it. To import the photo, it's on where the time is, so when I click, it just doesn't work. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that somehow. And then we have Camera Connect for my camera right here. I can see the lens. I can also see all the images taken on the camera. And then we have Genius. I have a lot of memories with this app. This is a song lyric app. So whenever I wanted to learn a new song, so yeah, this got me through a lot of my singing career. No, I'm joking. And then we have the YouTube Studio for my YouTube creators out there. Oh, next up we have the entertainment folder, which is Netflix, Amazon Prime, Stars Play. Now I didn't even want to get a subscription for that, but it has Power episodes and I'm totally obsessed. I had to do it. And we have Audible. I just want to listen to a book rather than listen to music when it's like more peaceful. Then we have PlayStation. I did own a PS4. I am now waiting for the PS5 to restock. And then we have YouTube. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to me again if you want to. And then we have the socials: Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter I barely use, Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Then we have Skype. I just use it sometimes to Skype my family in Poland. And then we have TikTok. I don't really make a lot of videos, but if you want to give your girl a follow. In the games folder, it's looking a very dry. So we have the Facts app, which I mentioned before. Then we have Sonic Racing, but I do really like this game, so I will keep it for as long as I have the free trial for the games. And then we have this one called Elevate. It's just like a game to get your brain a bit more stimulated. Whenever I'm on a train or something like that, it's quite nice to just use that when you're bored, especially. And then we have the travel app, so Uber and Bolt, train lines, and a rail card because your girl likes to budget. Then we have City Mapper, which is for underground in London. It's a very, very useful app. So if you are traveling to London, if you live in London and don't have this app, what are you doing? This will save your life. You just don't even know how complicated the underground is. So moving on, we have Get Your Guide, and this is really useful for holidays when you want to book lots of attractions and things like that. And then we have my essentials folder. Uni days, I used to be a student, so I have little perks and discounts. O2 priority, so if you're with O2, you get some small perks, like I used to go get a free coffee every Tuesday. Well, I didn't go every Tuesday because I'm just lazy. Boots, I have an Advantage card on there. I always get little points. And then we have the NHS. We scan a barcode whenever we go into a restaurant, hairdressers, things like that. And then when someone was exposed to COVID, it will let us know. So my next folder just has basic things like calculator. The multi-timer is also a really cool app to have. You can set few timers at a time, so I really like that because when you're doing the laundry, you can just put 45 minutes for laundry, and then at the same time you can also make your tea and then a timer for that for like 5 minutes. Then we have maps, notes, a watch app, so for my Apple Watch. So the next folder we have is food, Burger King, Krispy Kreme, and oh my god, recently I just had a hot box and I don't even want the cold donuts anymore. And then McDonald's, Deliveroo, Domino's, Nando's, Uber Eats, Just Eat, and Costa. And then moving on to the next folder, we have cookie dough. Cookie dough connects to my mum's like cookie machine, and it has like all the recipes on here on what you can cook with that machine. So it's kind of good that my mum invested in a little gadget like that because I can always use it as well. And then we have a gym app just to see sometimes how long I've been in the gym. Then we have Depop. I sell some of my things on there. Amazon, eBay. Then moving on to some of my shopping apps like Zara, Nike, Klarna. Sometimes I just like pay monthly for my clothes if I have like a big purchase. A sneakers app, so it shows you all the new cool sneakers. And then I have other shopping sites like Very, ASOS, and JD. Moving on to the finances. So I have money box, few odd change here and there into investing. Then my bank, PayPal, airtime rewards. When I go to different shops and stuff, I can get money off my phone bill. And then Monzo. And then we have work stuff, so for work access. For LinkedIn, it's really good to have that for career purposes. And then we have just loads of random folders. I have put a photos widget and it made a really funny album for me. I always like to take pictures of my food, so this made me a little slideshow of all like the food pictures I have. I probably made you hungry as well, but this just makes me smile and laugh when I look at that. So that is everything for what's on my iPhone 12 mini. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you have found out some new stuff for you to download on your phone. That would be really great if you have learned something from the video. And now time for the giveaway. So I'm going to give away one of the iPhone 12 mini phone cases from Apple. So it can either be the MagSafe one, which I have here, or you can get the iPhone 12 mini silicone case. So to enter the giveaway, subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will be checking, and in the comments drop down a way for me to contact you, such as your Instagram account and what is your favorite case that you'd like to win and why you want to win the case. So if you go on the Apple website, you can see how the phone case looks like with the color of your phone. I personally like the plum color. I think it's like a really awesome color. And you have other colors like deep navy, type of orangey color, green. So there's lots of different colors to choose from. Let me know which one is your favorite, and it can either be for you or as a nice present for your family. So the competition will end on kind of like the 11th of December. Make sure it gets to you for Christmas. That will be quite a nice present, especially if you are getting the iPhone 12 mini or you already have one. All the details are also in the description. So make sure you read all of the requirements, and good luck. And I will also be doing more giveaways in the future, so make sure you stick around for those. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you want to see more of me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!